Hi everybody. So we at Red Balloon Aerospace are trying to build near space infrastructure. Near space infrastructure, what we are trying to build are airships, which in turn also utilize aerostats and balloons. So one of the most important system what we are building are the super pressure balloons, which have the capability to stay in near space for over a period of 6 months. In a similar way, we are also building tethered aerostat systems, which can cater to a multitude of applications. In addition to the aerostat systems, we also build airships. Airships have the capability to do non-terrestrial networks, which are our prime area of interest. In addition to that, it can also cater to the requirements of geospatial planning, basically to the concept of spatial governance by using three-dimensional data, what airships can provide. So these are some of the applications in addition to the fact that non-terrestrial networks are the core of our intention to create airships. Since the inception of T-Works, I have known T-Works, and T-Works has been superb in the way what it has been doing, the infrastructure what it gives access to the startups, and I think utilizing this infrastructure to the point that the people can validate their things and take it to the next steps, T-Works plays a major role. And I think Hyderabad is blessed with an organization called T-Works where startups who utilize them effectively can create wonders with it. HDFC Parivartan, thank you for giving us this grant, and we are happy to be part of this ecosystem. And grants like this, accelerate the intention of startups, and this boost more than the grant, the value what it provides that someone has recognized this is pivotal for the aspect of developing the entire ecosystem. I thank HDFC Parivartan grant and also the entire HDFC system for this beautiful opportunity given to Red Balloon. At the same time also for nurturing and developing the startups in the country.